to the channel. I got this long package here. Alright, I gotta do it off camera here. So I open this. Come on, there we go. Wouldn't cut. Okay. It's upside down. This is a little different than what I was expecting. Oh. Let's see if I can zoom out a bit here. It's a two-player playmat, but this is almost done like a rug or like a floor mat or something like that. It's very thick, and it's also stitched on the edges. This is very different than what I was expecting. The back seems a bit weird. This is what you would see on like a welcome mat or something like that, or a mat that you put on the floor. Huh. Okay. Well, that's interesting. The print quality is kind of meh. It'll work, but my other one's much better. Alright, well, I hope you enjoyed this video, and have a good one.